this session, we are going to create an app protection policy for iOS and iPadOS platform. The app protection policy generally we are using for securing the data inside of the application. So it's used as a separate channel with the MDM. It's not using with the MDM. It's not working directly with the MDM, but it's like used a separate channel. For creating a protection policy, we need to click on apps and then iOS and iPadOS and create. We need to select protection and then create. I'm just giving a name here. And now we need to select the applications, to which applications this policy should be applied. I'm selecting all Microsoft apps. Next. In here, we are going to select different options to secure the data. So it has data protection part, access requirements, and conditional latch. Backup organization data to iTunes and iCloud. I need to block this one. Send organization data to other apps. No, it should be sent just only to policy managed. Save copies of organization data. No, it should be blocked. Allow users copy. Okay, allow users to save copies to select services. So all the organization data should only be copied to these services, not any other. And what else? Restrict in copy, restrict cut, copy and paste between other apps should be just for policy managed. Sync policy managed app data with native apps or add-ins, it should be blocked, and printing organization data should be as well blocked. Next. Here are some access requirements. We need to put PIN for access should be required. PIN type should be numeric. Simple PIN, no. Simple PIN should be blocked and should be at least 8 characters. What else need to PIN reset after number of days? No. App PIN with device PIN is set. Okay, required. Work or school account credential for access should be required. And the next. In here, some by default condition already set by Microsoft. We need to like keep it like this. Maximum PIN attempts 5, then reset the PIN. Offline grace period reach to this number, block access. And offline grace period reach to 90, wipe data. And the same some device conditions. Jailbroken rooted devices, block access. We can add some more as well, but I'm just keeping it the way it is. And next, and now I'm adding the group here. So we need to assign this one to users. So once user are communicating with any kind of data, these conditions or data protections and access requirements will be applied to the users. And now I'm assigning the user groups, which is Intune users, and then select next and create. So we have successfully created an app protection policy for iOS platform.